Alright, so we're back out here, pretty deep into the Rockies today on Spray Valley Provincial Park, and yeah, gonna do a little bit of high mountain lake camping. So there's a nice lake, it's called the Rummel Lake, about 6 kilometers from the trailhead. We're about 3 kilometers in right now. It's about 6 o'clock, it's getting pretty late, kind of a late start, so had to get going pretty much as soon as I got here. But yeah, another 2-3 kilometers left. Might be getting there in the dark, I hope not, just because I want to show you guys the lake and see myself. It's beautiful, but worst case, I'll see you in the morning, so stick around for that if that's the case. But yeah, let's get going. I've been really going. My heart rate's up to like 160. It's getting pretty dark. It probably looks a bit lighter on the camera, but yeah, still got about 800 meters to go, so just trying to go as fast as possible. But it is insane out here. Like, it's hard not to just stop and stare at that, like just that mountain right there. And they're all around me. It's nuts. I'm just right in the middle of it all. So yeah, I'm super excited to get up and see what this lake looks like. Try to get there before it gets completely dark. Oh my god. Whoa. Well, made it. That was difficult. Got up here in like under 2 hours, but holy, this is insane. Like, I wish anyone watching could see the scale of this. Like, this might be one of the craziest places I've ever been in my entire life. And there's like this crazy cloud layer at the top of this huge bowl. Oh my god. And yeah, I mean, just like Parks Canada was saying, there's no avalanche risk. I mean, there's definitely that slope over there, but you kind of camp on this side, and there's nothing over here, so it's good. But honestly, this is kind of scary. It's intimidating. Like, this thing is massive. I am deep in the mountains. But yeah, we'll set up camp here, and this will be good. Pretty much have to set up camp like right on the end of the trail here where it's kind of compacted. Usually I'd go off the trail, but it's like chest deep snow. I took one step in there and could barely get out, so yeah, this is about the only option. But I've got a tent today, just because there can be kind of some crazier winds. It's also supposed to snow a bunch, so kind of want to be protected. The other thing is I can't have a fire either. We're in a provincial park. You're not allowed to have a fire at this specific lake. So yeah, just rocking the tent for right now. Alright, so tent set up. Nice and cozy. Yeah, just gonna make some food here. It's about 7 o'clock right now, so yeah, we'll at least get the main course going. I got some good stuff, so pretty excited for that. Also, I was gonna note as well, it's actually pretty much a clear sky and the stars are just nuts, so yeah, hopefully I can get a couple good pictures of that too. But super quiet as well, and yeah, it's a nice night. So just gonna be cooking with a little camp stove here today. Got the pot, so grab this guy out. These just open up for the pot to sit on. And that'll just screw on there. Alright, and yeah, take a look what I got here. So, picked up some fresh pasta. Oh, that's a lot, so don't think we're gonna eat all that. There's like kind of 3 bundles there, but freshly made from the farmer's market with some fresh bolognese sauce. That was kind of heavy to haul up, but I'm sure it'll be definitely worth it. And then for dessert, a nice what was this called? Lemon orange poppy seed loaf. Oh yeah, let's go. So water's boiling. Get this thing opened up. Okay. So it looks like there's 4 little bunches of pasta. Probably do 2 of those. That'll be good. In she goes. Probably take 2 minutes or so. It's fresh, so it won't take quite as long as when it's all dried. Alright, so noodles are done cooking. Got the bolognese cracked open. Oh, get a good amount of that in there. Stuff is amazing. Oh, I don't know why I turned the burner off. Gonna have to warm up the sauce. Alright. Ready to go. Oh, it smells so good. There we go. Nice and warmed up. Let's give her a try. Can't even chew. My mouth is literally frozen. So good though. That'll warm me up. Oh, that was good. Hit the spot. Alright, we got this nice lemon loaf now. We'll open this up. Give that a taste test. Oh, that's great. I'm gonna eat this and then probably get into my sleeping bag, just chilling there, listen to some podcasts or something, because I need to warm up. It's freezing out here. I don't know why it's so cold. It only said it was gonna drop down to like -10. I think it's because I'm in this valley. Sometimes these valleys get a lot colder than kind of the surrounding area. There's also a breeze coming off the mountain. My tent's got like frost on it, but yeah, it's cold. So, and I don't have a fire tonight, which kind of sucks. So, yeah, I need to warm up a bit. We're gonna probably get in the tent after I'm done this here. All right, so we're in the tent now. It's about, let's see what time it is. 8:35, so not even quite 9 yet. Like I said, kind of early, but I'm cold, so decided to get in here and yeah, warming up. But before this, I spent like half an hour just looking at the stars and taking some pictures. Like the stars are just nuts out here, so yeah, I did a little bit of star photography and stuff, but yeah, I think I'm gonna end it off for the night. Just gonna listen to a podcast for a couple hours or something, then we'll go to bed. And then yeah, in the morning I'm excited to show you guys the true glory of this lake. It is nuts. So yeah, I'll get some good shots in the morning. But yeah, I'll put a picture of the star photography I did. Granted, I mean, it is with my phone, so nothing crazy, but yeah. Good night. A little bit of an update. So it's about probably 3 a.m. Slept for a couple hours, maybe 3-4 hours, but that snowstorm I was talking about blew in, and it is dumping snow outside. Main issue right now is it's super windy. I swear if I wasn't in my tent it would blow away. So that makes it kind of hard to sleep. Inside of my tent is just, I don't know if you can see anything, but it's just covered in frost. Sleeping bag's covered in frost on the outside. But I'm super warm, so that's fine. I mean, I warmed up and the sleeping bags get to -30, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to be sleeping the rest of the night. So, but just wanted to give an update. Touch base in the morning. Morning. Oh, I've survived. It's about 9 o'clock. I was actually able to fall asleep at around maybe 5 again. Slept a good 4 hours. The wind has died down. But yeah, that was a crazy night. I don't know how my tent didn't break. Like it was being bent over like 45 degrees by the wind at one point. And then there's snow just everywhere on the inside. It was being just pushed through even like these small holes, getting blown under the wind fly.
Yeah, that was nuts. So, yeah, excited to take a look outside though, and yeah, let's go. All right, so all packed up, ready to go. Got about a 5-kilometer hike on the way out. Should take an hour and a half, maybe 2, just because it snowed so much I'm gonna be like trail breaking. But yeah, that's all for this one. And anyone that watches, thanks for watching. See ya.